Model, 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Combi Cdti BTS, S9-seater minibus super clean needs clutch. Body, grey, minibus. Mileage, 159,404. MOT, the 2nd of March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately, the clutch pedal is on the floor, so the clutch will need replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean, well looked after minibus. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, sat-nav, electric windows, cruise control, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.